Where to find the best sites. Dogs and puppies. Howdy. The best internet resources about how to sell Papillon puppies. These selected resources on the web might help you. Our top-ranked site to learn about how to sell Papillon puppies is www.howmuchesit.org. See the page titled How Much Do Papillon Puppies Cost? Howmuchesit.org. Here's the link. You can also try 14192.r.msn.com, especially the page Need to Sell Puppies. Puplistings.com. Here's the link. Last but not least, try our third-ranked site 1206658.r.msn.com. The web page Sell Your Puppies puppyfind.com. This is the link.